What is up, guys? It's JJ on the controller from Do Squad Gaming. We're going to be mailing ourselves in a box for a 30 subscriber special. So hopefully this goes well. Shipping myself to my cousin's house, but they have no idea. So it's very funny. So yeah, let's go right to the video. So I have a box right here. Right here. So, we're probably gonna get some duct tape and tape this box to that box. Yeah, to go in. We might bring some Bop It in here and some water. I'm gonna bring some food. We might stop for a snack. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. So I got the duct tape. It's right here. It's gonna be yellow. So it might not match good. I'm gonna put this right here to save it. But probably I'm gonna put it on my bed. And do it like right here. So if you guys couldn't see that here, I'll turn it. So it's right there. Yeah. Put this on, probably like, that's gonna go inside, and that's gonna go inside. And this, everything is gonna go under it. So, I don't know, guys. This is gonna go under. This is supposed to go like that. So it's gonna look like this, kind of. And I'm gonna take the side like that. So, I might have my sister help me with that. I'm gonna play some Bop It, have some water in there. So, I'll see you guys when I'm done taping the box. Alright, guys, I'm right here. My sister's friends are taping me up, and I'm gonna turn the camera. Guys, I'm gonna end the video and turn the camera. Okay, I am back. So I have some Bop It right here. They're still duct taping me. I have some orange here. You can't really see, guys. So it's so hot in here, guys. I have some water right here. It's hard to see. I'm gonna end the clip till they're done and we go. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Alright, guys. So they're bringing me to the UPS thing. Guys, oh my gosh. So I think I just got out of the car. So, guys. So, going into the UPS thing now, and I think they're checking me out. Oh, guys, I think they're taking me into the like the place where they keep me, and then when the truck comes. Guys, I have a little peek hole right here. So, guys. Whoa, guys. Whoa. Guys, whoa. Oh, yes. Whoa, guys, I see. Guys. Oh, I can't show you right now because I can't fit. But it is literally like you can see the I think it's called United States Postal Area, Postal Service. So you guys can see that. So, guys. my cousin's house is like an hour away. I think it's gonna be like not an hour away, a town away. So it's not gonna be that long. But oh guys, I'm having an orange right now. And guys, I'm feeling like whoa, guys, I'm back at the house. It's like kind of dark out. My camera died. I'm so sorry, guys. But here's what happened. I was in the box and I was shaking around a lot. I went into the truck and I was literally and it was so bumpy. But then when I got to the house, they took a knife. Well, no, not a knife. It was like those tiny things, and then the blades, and they cut it open, and because they were like, hey, what are you doing in here? And then I ran out, so because they didn't know it was me. But then I was like, guys, it's me. Calm down. And they was like, oh, you guys, you scared me. And so they just brought me home after. So, they just brought me home. I forgot if I got drove home or they brought me home. They brought me home. So, yeah, that was like some kind of painful, like, it pretty hurt. It kind of hurt a little bit. But my thing died, so I was very mad. So, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.